Haha, I told you so, guys. I told you so. Don't say anything because I did, and I told you guys. So this is Mr. Remi's account. This is Mr. Remi's account. So initially he just made a deposit of $2,000. Okay. So the initial deposit on this account you're looking at currently was just $2,000, and in just a space of over 1 month, we've made a whopping amount of $1,808 in profit in just over 1 month. Yes, so that's almost 100%. So it was after he saw the impressive, result from a robot that he decided to add an extra uh, $700 or thereabouts. So he decided to top up his account. That's why you're seeing that extra deposit. But the initial deposit on this account was just $2,000. So we've made profit of over $1,880, and this was not hands-free. Trust me, this wasn't hands-free. This was done by the aid of our robots, Titan FX robot, Titan FX robot, Titan FX robot. So you can see the trace there. The tabs are being opened. You can see the name, the robot ID, Titan FX robot 2.0. Yes, 2.0 because we have different versions of our robot. 1.0 and 2.0 is an upgrade, and basically trades on either the euro pair or the gold pair. So this is it. So making almost 100% profit in 1 month is not for every E, and you can see that the lot size is very consistent between 0.01 and 0.1. So hit the link in the description to find out more. Hit me up right now. I'm FX Colonel, the Blues on King.